Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi pay floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi on his 156th birth anniversary. Fast-term calls of agitation after government assurance on ad hoc teachers' demands. MEGHALAYA MLA flags illegal coal mining in Lom Bangla village. And hundreds attend Bijoya Dashmi amid heavy rain in Shillong. The news in detail. India observes Gandhi Jayanti, marking the 156th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, with functions across the country and by Indian missions abroad. A Sarva Dharma Pratna Sabha was held at Rajghat, New Delhi. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan and Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid floral tributes to Bapu. Prime Minister Modi praised Gandhi's ideals of courage, simplicity, service and compassion and reaffirmed the nation's commitment to follow his path of a Viksit Bharat. In observance of Gandhi Jayanti, senior officials led by Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed paid floral tributes at the statue of Mahatma Gandhi at the Rilang Building, Main Secretariat in Shillong. The ceremony was attended by officials including Dr. B.D.R. Tiwari, Vijay Kumar Mantri, Swapnil Timbe and DC R.M. Kurba, along with staffs and employees who honored the father of the nation with wreaths and floral offerings. The Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, FASTOM, has called off its agitation after the government agreed to extend key benefits to ad hoc teachers. Following talks with Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, FASTOM Vice President Sanboy Jungai said the government will introduce basic pay linked to seniority, annual DA, CPF contributions and DCRG coverage. The new pay structure is expected to be implemented from the 2026 financial year, with nearly 70% of the demands met. Addressing the media in Tura, FASTOM President Moonroy G. Momon said the organization has reached a favorable outcome in its sit-in protest. The decision brought relief to protesting teachers who expressed happiness over the development.
Our Honorable Chief Minister himself, he made it clear that the ad hoc teachers will receive the basic pay scale plus DA and other allowances like annual increment, CPF and DCRG. DCRG, which means that come retirement gratuity.
There are four main agendas that we discussed and also agreed in the meeting with the government. Number one, the ad hoc school teachers, they will also get the basic pay from now onwards. That is, this basic pay, it will be based on their seniority basis. That is, teachers who are serving for 10 years, 20 years, and the basic will be different.
MEGHALAYA MLA Bright Star Well Marmanyang has alleged rampant illegal coal mining in Lom Bangla village, East Jantia Hills, despite repeated complaints by villagers. He said the VPP youth wing confirmed mining at 3 sites with trucks transporting coal, but no action has been taken by the police. The MLA accused the SP of denying facts and avoiding responsibility. Village headman Clatus Jana said the poor households of the village are being exploited, while the MLA warned of further steps if authorities remain silent.
Nga daladi nga don ha kata on the spot menakani si sejan arku tarik baka jingti doyong kadang tengam kadang yai baka jingkit lu yo doyong na kata kadang yai syai te kini ke jingle ke jung USP kalong ke ike ke bam snap kamtam yangi kum kita ki legislators kum kita ki nong mi khamat ki ba ni persang ban sim ya ki mat ki issue ki bakta ya ki padba nong sunong ke jungi bat kum bakalong hapok ni kasinong lom bangla kabaki persang ban yoroj tengilawan bat ngara community ba unsim kya mo bani kedu ingi henry I kumba u persang ban re paman ungkwa bani keren bat ngi.
In observance of Gandhi Jayanti and the conclusion of the Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, cleaning drives were carried out across Meghalaya. In July, the municipal board, along with Traders Association, Dorbashnong Timpang, Yamosiang, and market communities, organized a cleaning drive in market areas. JMB CEO D.V. Lingdo urged citizens and vendors to maintain cleanliness, while residents, shopkeepers, and officials actively participated. Similarly, the Dorbashnong of Umdihar Ribhoy and the Village Water and Sanitation Committee of Kinshi Maurya, East and West Khasi Hills, conducted village cleaning drives to promote hygiene and honor Mahatma Gandhi's vision of a clean India. Despite heavy rain warnings from the DIMD, hundreds of devotees gathered at Polo immersion ghats in Shillong for Bijoya Dashmi rituals, bidding farewell to goddess Durga. Processions of decorated trucks carrying idols, beats of the dhak, devotional chants, and dancing devotees filled the streets. The Wa Umkhra River Ghats became a vibrant spectacle of devotion, marking a grand farewell to Durga Puja in the city. The 9th day of Durga Puja in Tura was celebrated with great joy and devotion, marking the culmination of festivities across Garo Hills. This year, 142 pandals were set up, with 31 in Tura alone, decorated with vibrant colors, intricate designs and dazzling lights. Meanwhile, the Sulguri Anchalik Durga Puja Committee celebrated Navami in grandeur, drawing one of the largest gatherings in the recent years. Leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma, graced the celebration as chief guest, joining thousands of devotees in prayers and cultural festivities.
We can utilize this space and this platform to communicate to the rest of the world. These are the areas which provide space for freelancers. The area and space available is in the field of art and entertainment.
Little Flower Higher Secondary School, Mowbray, marked its Golden Jubilee, celebrating 50 years of educational service. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma attended as chief guest, with Umroy MLA Damanbiat Lamare as guest of honor, along with school faculty, alumni and students. Established in 1975, the school has become a prominent institution in Eastern Ribhoy, producing numerous successful graduates. Chief Minister lauded the Catholic Church contribution to education and announced a 25 lakh rupees grant for improving school infrastructure.
Of Little Flower Highest.
Little Flower Higher Secondary School.
Sure, it's been a very, very tough journey, but a very, very fulfilling and satisfying journey. Many people have played their part in the roads. In the past, the principals, the past teachers, the past members of the managing committee, the past pupils and the students. All of you have contributed to making Little Flower School what it is today.
The Halatinrai Ecotourism Cooperative Society, Nongstoin, in collaboration with the Tourism Department, concluded a 4-day World Tourism Day celebration on October 1st. Activities included football matches, archery competitions, drawing contests, and a trek from Wainia, Siang Rai to La Langchong Falls. The event was graced by Tourism Officer Mark Dengdo and attended by community leaders from the Yauren and Yaular clans. The program highlighted the region's rich tourism potential while promoting community participation and outdoor activities. The Maukarwat Market Committee, in collaboration with the DSBMG, VDP, Sengsam Lashnong and Hito Maukarwat, organized an awareness program and market cleaning drive today. Villagers and shopkeepers actively participated in cleaning the market. Speakers at the program highlighted pollution concerns and urged citizens to maintain cleanliness. They also raised issues regarding abandoned houses near Basador, which have become hubs for illegal liquor and drug activities, posing safety risks particularly for women and children.
Lalu kapur kawan kemarin, dan saat ini sudah pasien yang kata cing leput dan subah ke Joni, dan break ke teman, dan lek ke teman, dan berjabot ke teman.
Bawa ke jing berkuat, kamdei tang shisin shisnem, hendai ke jing berkuat kadai man atas ni, janmir, menstep bat janmir.
Tolong yang pekat ni pusan sabun bat, ingin bahar, ingin penordol, banorat tak saisin yang ke jing sok sengai. Akan dikayo, hato bihun, makayo bajuri, dan long, tumhang ini berkor kalau masa.
Girang berkam sibun, kiri kiba nelayan jongsa, sorba telah juri dan paikmat sebagai yo mokuat, kumba ka julet, hat wei yo.
The Meghalaya State Kickboxing Association yesterday felicitated 8 young athletes for their achievement at the National Kickboxing Championship 2025 held in Himachal Pradesh. The medal winners include Derek D. Nongrum, Adriel Gordon Rani, Rishan Skem Lipon, and Eric Karsati, who clinched gold medals. Emiliana Susngi and Barkes Nongklau secured silver medals, while Orikson Marbanyang and Shongkun D. Kongwar won bronze medals. The felicitation was held at Hotel Assembly Shillong, attended by association officials, coaches, parents, and proprietor Vikash Gupta. The weather report. First, let's take a quick look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 28 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 95% and rainfall was recorded at 19.4 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature was 22 degrees Celsius, relative humidity was 91%, while rainfall was recorded at 22 millimeter. Meanwhile, in Juai, minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature was 21 degrees Celsius, relative humidity was 94%, while rainfall was recorded at 19.8 millimeter. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juai says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi on his 156th birth anniversary. First-term cause of agitation after government assurance on ad hoc teachers' demands. Maulai MLA flags illegal coal mining in Lombangla village. And hundreds attend Bijoya Dashmi amid heavy rain in Shillong. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.
জাতিৰ পিতা মহাত্মা গান্ধীৰ আজি 156 সংখ্যক জয়ন্তী